Hey there, Herbal community. Last year, we launched the Canadian Herb Conference, and it was a huge success. We brought together teachers and students and speakers and panels and just had so much fun celebrating plant medicine as people's medicine online. We also raised $20,000 to give to the Canadian Herbal Associations across the country to support plant medicine for the modern age and to give a voice to the legislation and to clinicians and to so much more around working with herbal medicine. Anyway, we're doing it again this year. We've got over 35 speakers. We've got an international panel and people from all over the world, as well as many of our Canadian herbal alumni, to bring together their knowledge and their special and unique gift in bringing herbal medicine into the modern age. So join us at herbconference.com. It's November 4th through the 7th, and there's plenty of ways you can get involved and engage in this community. So find out more online at herbconference.com, and I really hope to see you there. All right, may the forest be with you. Come join us at the Canadian Herb Conference this year.